As the saying goes, when banks sneeze, the oil market catches a cold. The recent banking crisis in the US has sent shock waves through the economy and impacted the oil and diesel prices in India. The collapse of major banks in the US has had a ripple effect on the global economy, including the oil and diesel markets in India. When the crisis hit, it caused a worldwide economic slowdown, which led to a drop in demand for oil and diesel products. The banking crisis in the US has a direct impact on the oil and diesel prices in our own country. As bizarre as it may sound, it is actually true. And today, we are going to take the trip down the rabbit hole of global economics to see how it all fits together. It is no secret that petrol and diesel prices have remained constant in India despite the fall in global oil prices due to the ongoing banking crisis in the United States. While some may believe that this would be a good opportunity for companies to reduce prices, it seems that they won't be doing so anytime soon. Let's look at the reason for keeping the oil and diesel prices unchanged. According to a report by PTI, the three major oil marketing companies in India, Indian Oil Corporation, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, and Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, haven't revised petrol and diesel prices in over 15 months. Together, they control 80% of the fuel supply in India and haven't changed the petrol and diesel prices despite input crude oil prices rising from $102.97 per barrel in April to $116.01 in June and falling to $78.09 in January 2023. This has resulted in huge losses for the companies despite the recent fall in global fuel prices. Experts predict that the global crude oil market is likely to experience persistent volatility due to the ongoing banking turmoil. Last week, global oil prices reached their lowest level in 15 months, following the chaos caused by Silicon Valley Bank, First Republic, and Credit Suisse turmoil. Brent crude fell by nearly 12% during the last week, recording its biggest ever weekly fall since December. But what does this mean for India? Well, it seems that the falling global oil prices are hardly going to impact the country. The three major oil marketing companies in India have accumulated huge losses due to high crude prices earlier, and the recent fall in global fuel prices is actually an opportunity for them to recover their accumulated losses, according to an anonymous government source cited by a top news firm. These oil marketing companies incurred a combined net loss of over 21,000 crore rupees during April to September 2022. These losses have had a significant impact on the company's financial stability and decision making. So, it looks like the petrol and diesel prices in India will remain constant for the time being. And while this may not be great news for consumers, it's a necessary step for the companies to recover their losses and maintain their financial stability. To sum it up, it would be safe to conclude that the ongoing banking turmoil in the United States has resulted in a drop in global crude oil prices. While this may seem like a good opportunity for oil marketing companies in India to reduce petrol and diesel prices, it's unlikely that they will do so anytime soon. Since these companies need to recover their earlier losses and gain financial stability, petrol and diesel oil prices will remain constant, despite the falling global prices.